Mga kapatid, tatalakayin ko ngayon itong word servant. Kasi maraming mga Christian na kulang ng pagbabasa at kulang ng pagkakaintindi, kulang ng pagre-research, na sabihin niya, kayo lang ang mga Muslim servant of God. Hindi kami servant, kundi sons of God kami. They still insisted nga si Jesucristo nga, sabi ko, si Jesus Christ is servant of God. Kayo pa kaya? May palusot naman na si Jesus Christ, servant of God. Dahil nagkatawang tao, si Jesucristo daw servant. So, pinagmamalaki niya son of God. Si Jesucristo ay servant of God. Ang ibig sabihin, mas mababa si Jesucristo kaysa kanya. Dahil si Jesus Christ servant, siya naman daw ay hindi servant. Okay, dito. Basahin natin para ito sa mga mangmang, hunghang na mga may singaw ba ang utak ng mga tao. Masabi niya hindi siya servant of God. Okay. Dito sa Biblia, babasahin natin Joshua chapter 24 verse 15. But if serving to the Lord seems undesirable to you, then choose for yourselves this day whom you will serve. But as for me and my household, the Lord. Sabi ni Joshua, serve the Lord. What do you mean by serve the Lord? Meaning you're a servant. The word servant, itong word na servant, the root word is serve. So, if Joshua was serving to God, he was a servant of God, Joshua. And his family, sabi niya, for me and my family, we serve the Lord. Ang ibig sabihin, the family and Joshua were all servants of the Lord. Okay, dito naman, sa 1 Samuel 12:24. Only fear the Lord and serve Him. Only fear the Lord. Meaning, once you serve, you are a servant. Right? Okay. Dito naman, sa Galatians chapter 5 in the New Testament, Galatians chapter 5 verse 13. Through love, serve one another. Through love, serve one another. So, ibig sabihin, to be a servant, bakit mahihiya tayo? Servant ka nga ng presidente, servant ka ng senador, servant ka ng mayor, servant ka ng isang mayamang, kilalang mayaman. Ituwang-tuwa ka na nga eh. Sinong amo mo? Pag sinasabing sinong amo mo, akong amo ay si president, ang aking amo ay si senador. If you are proud to be na servant ikaw, serving kilala, high ranking, how about to serve God? Nahihiya ka? To serve God? Once you serve God, you are a servant of God. This is according to the Bible. So, it's not only the Muslim servant of God. Don't be ashamed. Don't be have full embarrassment kung sinasabi mo na ikaw ay serving the Lord. No. Hindi yung ganun. Tingnan mo yung mga pare. They are serving the Lord. Tingnan mga madre, mga pastor, mga minister. They are serving the Lord. Ikaw ang taong kulang talaga ang utak, ay sabi niya, hindi kami servant. Ibig sabihin, you are not serving God. To whom you serve? You are serving to yourself. Meaning you submitted to God. You are humbling yourself to God. You serve, you pray to God. Until nahiya ikaw. So, ganun po mga kapatid. Maraming salamat. Please share. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.